Hi everyone, I'm Sasha, and today I want you to introduce you to BeGuest, a tool designed to help you manage your events from start to finish. Let's see how it works. Imagine you need to organize an event, big or small, whether it's a MICE event, a corporate gathering, or an activity at a special venue. BeGuest adapts to everything. Our goal is to simplify your job and that of the agencies organizing these events through a very intuitive platform. Let's see how it works. To really understand BeGuest, the first thing you should know is that it has two sides, two ways of viewing the information, the guest view and the admin view. The guest view is what attendants will see. It's their access point to all the important information. The admin view, on the other hand, is where you, as the organizer, will have full control of everything. From here, you'll manage every aspect of the event. Let's start with the guest view. The first thing your guests will see is a space to fill out their forms. These forms are fully customizable, and in another tutorial video I'll show you the step-by-step on how to create them and gather the exact information that you need. Alongside the forms, guests will find the event agenda with all the schedules and activities. They'll also have access to key locations like the event venue or their hotel. But that's not all. Guests will also be able to sign important documents, download plane tickets, and access all the flight information and accommodation details. Everything in one place, super convenient. Now let's move on to the admin view, where the true power of BeGuest lies. Here, you'll focus on 4 key points. On our first point is the form creation. Here, you can build and custom forms with information needed from each event, such as personal data or flight details. On our second point, we've got the report templates. You can create as many report templates as you need, using the information from the forms. There are over 8 different types of reports, and you can adapt them to your liking. These reports can be viewed on screen or exported to Excel. On our third point, we've got the email and SMS campaigns. With BeGuest, you can send both mass and segmented communications to your guests. Do you need to set a save the date to all your attendees? Done. Or maybe a last minute message by SMS. You can do that too. On our last point, we've got the surveys. BeGuest allows you to create custom surveys to collect the feedback from each event. This is gold when it comes to improving your future events and constantly enhancing your guest experiences. This has been a general introduction to the platform of BeGuest. In the upcoming videos, we'll dig deeper into each of these features so that you can make the most out of them. Thanks so much for your attention. See you in the next video.